is what is in a Parthian. Thereafter there is a coming of Kushanas, and then we have seen Kushanas. K for Kushanas, K for Cadaphyses, K for Cadaphyses 2, Cadaphyses 1, Cadaphyses 2, and then Kanishka. Which are the rulers there? Kushanas, Cadaphyses 1, Cadaphyses 2, and then Kanishka. Who is the Heliodorus? Who is the Heliodorus? Under the Menander there was an ambassador. Under the Menander and an ambassador who reached to what is the name? Vidisha, Vaishnagar, and here he has adopted the Vaishnavism, and there is a which pillar? Garud pillar. Understood? So छोटी छोटी चीजों को just एक associate करके रखना. I have said that. So I said, and थोड़ा सा ये सब idea है ना कहाँ से कौन bacteria and all ये तो. I said that Kushana's branch of Yuchis or Tocharians tribe, they are Tocharians, we will tell of Tocharian tribes from the north and central Asia. Which Asia I said that? जिधर से बैक्टीरिया देखे हैं, this is the whole Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan. These are the countries above India and this side above Iran. This is in India. If I say, this is I said that it is Pakistan. This is what Afghanistan. This is in Iran, and this is in Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, parts of China. This is I am talking about North and Central Asian region. From where I said that this Kushanas came, and it is also known as a U. What did I say that? Which tribe? U. What do you have to do? Chi. Yes. So which tribe I said that? Yes. टोकना पड़ेगा. टोकना समझते हो? Putting finger on something. Yes or not? So Tocharians. Which one I said that? You do chi without saying me. नहीं तो मुझे टोकना पड़ जाता है. Tocharians. I said that. Which I said? Kushanas. Which tribe I said? Kushanas are which tribe I said? Yuchi or Tocharian tribe from the North Central Asia, basically from the neighborhood of China. This side is what? China, and this is the neighborhood of China. Understood? And just ये reason थोड़ा सा क्या है वो bacterials. This reason is, but not all. All this reason is Central Asian. I said that, and I said that first occupied bacteria or not फिर bacteria को उन्होंने cover किया. They have different whom bacterials, and thereafter they come to the North Afghanistan. Able to see? This is what I said that North Afghanistan. They come into what? North Afghanistan. Then coming toward the down one Kabul and all. So Kabul Valley, then they gradually move to Bactrians. This region has been captured. Then coming to North Afghanistan, then they have taken the Kabul Valley. Kabul River is there. और आज ही की कल बताया मैंने था Kubha. Which river I said that? Kabul is Kubha. And then I said that Kabul Valley and seized Gandhara by crossing the Hindu Kush range. And this is I said that it is not I said Hindu Kush range. Thereafter they come over there and Hindu Kush is broken, and then this region has been what? Gandhara. Understood? Some Pakistan and some Afghanistan, more Afghanistan, rest of Pakistan, Gandhara region. And replacing, यहाँ पे कौन आया था थोड़े समय के लिए? Parthians, Gondophanes. अभी आए थे Gondophanes. Yes or not? They are replacing whom? Parthians. And then other, those who are there, some kind of, if the influence of Sakas, if there is an influence of other Indo-Greeks, सभी को यहाँ से किसने हटाया? Kushanas. So Kushanas removed Parthians and other Greeks influence in this region. So I said that Hindu Kush range and replacing the Greeks and Parthians from these areas. And then finally set up their authority over the lower Indus basin and the greater part of Ganga basin. And you know that this is thereafter it is lower Indus basin. This region has been, they come into Gandhara, thereafter they have taken this region, and thereafter they are coming towards the Gangetic basin. Understood? So who is covering this kind of coverage? Who is doing? Kushanas. Understood? And then I said that, and founder of Kushana dynasty was who? Cadaphyses I. Who? And then who issued coins in Kabul Valley in his name. After name me Cadaphyses I. And I have said earlier, what is the meaning of Devanam Priya? The beloved to gods. Beloved to, and that time I have said there is a lord of, what is a lord of the world or king of the kings. Who has said? Cadaphyses II. Cadaphyses II has said this. Understood it? So I said that Founder of the Kushana dynasty was Cadaphyses I, and who has issued the coin in his name in the Kabul region, and thereafter Cadaphyses II, his son, gold coins with high sounding titles. Gold coins पे क्या title दिया? Lord of the whole world and King of the kings. King of kings. And he spread his kingdom to the east as far as Mathura. Understood? So what are the two titles I talked about? Yes, tell me. The Cadaphyses II has taken Lord of the whole world and King of kings. King of kings. These are the two titles has been taken by Mr. Cadaphyses II. Kanishka. And then several things you know about Kanishka. Yes or not? And then I said that the most important ruler of Kushana dynasty, the founder of Saka era, and that is starting from 78 AD, and then it has been adopted by government of India. It has been adopted by whom? Government of India. He was not only a great conqueror but also extended his wholehearted patronage to this side. I said that यहाँ पर कौन था? Gandhara school, and this side I said that Mathura school. Which are the schools? I said that sculpture. School is related to what? Three sculptural schools are there. Perhaps you remember Gandhara, Mathura, Amravati. Which are the three schools? Gandhara, Mathura and Amravati. And then I said that Gandhara में आप क्या देखेंगे? Buddha, influence of Buddha. And Mathura, that you have seen like it is an influence of, I said that, Buddhism, Jainism and Brahminical. Means Hindu gods and all, everything is there. Understood? And thereafter Buddhism again. Amravati school is famous for Buddhism. So only one school is there, who is I supposed to be, I said that, following three. Which are the three? Mathura. Which one I said that? Mathura. So I said that this Mathura school has been also what is patronized by Mr. Kanishka Kushana, and then also I said that which one? Gandhara school that has been patronized by whom? Kanishka, Kushana and Kanishka. And thereafter the most important ruler it is, he was not only a great conqueror but also extended a wholehearted patronage to the Buddhism. He extended Kusana empire up to the lower Indus basin and then Malwa eastward until Magad in India, and set up his capital at Peshawar. And Peshawar को क्या बोलते हैं? पुरुष पुत्रा. लेकिन यहाँ पे पता नहीं कितने पुरुष रहते हैं. It is in doubt as far as the behavior is concerned from the Peshawar side. समझ में आ रहा क्या मैं कहना चाह रहा हूँ? Yes, वहाँ पर पेशावर में कितने पुरुष हैं? It is in the doubt because their decisions are always what? So Kanishka issued a high number of gold coins with high purity. And who has issued the first coin? Indo-Greeks. Understood? And thereafter I said that embraced Buddhism wholeheartedly. इन्होंने embraced Buddhism what is wholeheartedly. And इन्हीं के period में क्या हुआ था? Yes, fourth Buddhist council in the 72 AD, Kundalwana. In which I said that Kundalwana 72 AD. What we have seen? Four Buddhist council, and at the same time there is a division of Mahayana and Hinayana. So he was a follower of Mahayana. He was the follower of. Understood? मेरी क्लास में शुरू से अंत तक रेगुलर बैठा रहेंगे और कुछ चीजें ब्रेक करके बैठेंगे तो कनेक्टिविटी नहीं मिलेगी, इंटरेस्ट लूज करेंगे. Clear? So I said that, and then however his coin exhibit image of not only Buddha but also of Greek, Hindu and all. इसका मतलब what is secular? Secular? Tolerant towards the religion? Yes or not? Kanishka? यदि कहीं लिखा जाएगा Kanishka is tolerant in nature, तो आप जाओगे और ढूंढते रहोगे tolerant in nature, तो शायद नहीं मिले. लेकिन आप अच्छे से पढ़े रहेंगे, you can be able to see that it is अभी हमने कहा जैना, बुद्धा and all, मथुरा में, तो what does it show? Secular? Yes or not? Tolerant? So I said that Greek gods, Hindu gods, and then Buddhist and all, which reflects that he was tolerant towards the other religion. He was a great veteran of art and Sanskrit and held four Buddhist councils at Kashmir, where doctrine of Mahayana from Buddhism were analyzed. That is in the form of Mahayana. Understood? And finally, सारे doctrines completed in Vinay Pitaka, Sutta Pitaka, and Abhidhamma Pitaka. और आपको, if you remember that Parivara has been formed after fourth Buddhist council, perhaps you remember. And then he patronized many Buddhist scholars like Ashwagosha and Vashumitra. They were the what? Presiding officer of what Buddhist council में यही थे ना, under the from the Buddha side. He is the president. And Ashwagosha who wrote Sundar Anand and Buddha Charita. Yes, Ashwagosha. यदि अश्व पे बैठोगे तो आप कैसे लोगे और क्या लोगे? आनंद. यस, क्या चरित्रवान भी महसूस करोगे. अच्छा, चरित्रवान मेरे इलॉजिकल थॉट में ये सब फिट नहीं होगा. ऐसे हमने क्या बोला अश्वघोषा. तो अश्व पर आपने बैठे तो अपने आप को क्या फील कर रहे हो? जनरली लोग एक और अश्व होता है, बाइक पे बैठ जाने के बाद फील करते हैं आई एम नॉट स्मार्टेस्ट पर्सन. ऑटोमेटिकली छाती क्या हो जाती है? फुल जाती है. यस, तो इट लुक्स लाइक दैट आई एम ऋतिक रोशन. वॉइस से कभी अभी हर एक वॉइस का यही फीलिंग है. इसी तरह अश्व बैठ जाने के बाद क्या होता है? सुंदर से महसूस होता है. यू विल फील दैट आनंद आता है. यस और नो? और जब आनंद आता है तो आपको कैसा होता है? आनंद किसने लिया? रियल आनंद किसने लिया लाइफ में? रियल आनंद हम लोग तो ये क्षणिक आनंद लेते हैं ना. ये जो आप लोग इसके करने के बाद जो आपको फीलिंग आती है ना, लाइफ में सबसे ज्यादा बच्चे इंजीनियर्स क्या याद करते हैं? लास्ट के 1 महीने या 15 दिन की पढ़ाई. जनरली जो इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में लास्ट में जनरली यही बच्चे याद रखते हैं लास्ट की कुछ पढ़ाई है. और आप लोग भी अभी यही सब मिठाई याद रखते हैं. दीज आर द थिंग्स व्हिच इज सपोज्ड टू बी स्वीट फॉर योर लाइफ. यस, सो आई सेड दैट बुद्ध ने क्या किया? रियल लाइफ का मजा क्या है? हार्ड वर्क में. यस और नॉट? तो अश्व बैठने के लिए आराम से थोड़ी ना बैठ जाओगे आप. कहाँ गए हम? सुंदर आनंद. यस, और साथ में आपको अश्व पे बैठ गए, सुंदर आनंद ले रहे हैं, साथ में बुद्ध जैसा बन भी गए. क्या बन गया? जस्ट मेक एन पिक्चर. क्या बन गया? तो कुछ तो बुद्ध का चरित्र है. क्या है? कैसा नजर आएगा? एटलीस्ट इंटरनली नहीं तो एक्सटर्नली. सो वी आर हैविंग ना, हमने क्या बोला? अश्वघोषा. अश्व पे ऑन द हॉर्स. अश्व मीन्स हॉर्स. एंड हॉर्स पे कौन बैठा है? सुंदर आनंद. और कैसे सुंदर दिख रहे हैं आप? कंप्लीट बुद्धा. यस और ना? सो बुद्ध का चरित्र समझ में आ गया? तब तो मैं बोलूंगा वी आर नॉट एबल टू गेट इंटरनल चरित्र बट एक्सटर्नल चरित्र एटलीस्ट. सो बुद्धा का कोई भी लोग मिलता है, आप लोग कभी अपने दोस्तों को कभी बोले हो, एंड बोथ आर इन संस्कृत. इट मीन्स आपको ये पता है इट इज महायाना और हिनायना. महायाना. एंड देन नागार्जुन एंड वासुमित्रा. व्हिच वन आई सेड दैट? व्हाट इज दैट? हैव यू हर्ड ऑफ नागार्जुन अर्लियर? Who converted Menander to be Buddhist? Yes, Nagarjuna and Vasumitra. He also patronized famous physician in Indian history. I said that of Indian history, Charaka. इन्होंने इनको भी, चरक को भी क्या किया था? Yes, what? Made it? कौन थे? वाघभट्ट. Who I said that? The famous, what is in the medicine, the Vagbhatta, and which one I said that? Charak. Yes or not? आपको आदमी बाघ क्या करेगा? आपको किस तरह खाया जाएगा? चीर के या चर के? चर के खा जाएगा. चर समझते हैं? नहीं समझते हैं. गाय भैंस चरता है ना, वो घास चरता है. और वो क्या चरता है? द ग्रेजिंग ऑफ व्हाट? ग्रेजिंग इज चरना. ग्रेजिंग मीन्स वाघभट्ट एंड देन चरक. एंड आई विल कम ओवर देयर. सो जब हम लोग गुप्तास करेंगे, देयर आफ्टर विल कम. And then Nagarjuna and Vasumitra, he also patronized, I said, that famous physician Charak. Understood it? So Nagarjuna and Vasumitra. And who has written Charak Samhita. So Charak Samhita is related to what? Music. Charak. Last important Kushana ruler was Vasudev, who was the worshipper of. और बच्चे क्या लिख कर आते हैं? So generally ऐसा ही होता है. So I said that हमने क्या देखा? Which are cadaphyses. हम लोग क्या देख रहे हैं? Cadaphyses. How they come? They come from the northern Central Asia. They come to the northern Afghanistan, then Kabul Valley, and then Kabul Valley में Cadaphyses one has given the lots of coins, and then coins in his name. Yes or not? And thereafter coming to the Gandhara region, crossing the Hindu Kush in the Gandhara, and thereafter they are entering towards. I said that. Yes, tell me. Thereafter, lower Gangetic Valley and lower Indus. These are the regions has been covered. And then Kadaphysis too, what kind of title he has taken? I said the Lord of the whole world and then King of the kings. Understood? It is in a coin on the what? Coins. Understood? Gold coins. And thereafter I talked about Kanishka, and the Kanishka I talked about it is one of the famous ruler under which we have been able to see the Saka. Which era? Saka era, which the Indian government has adopted, that has come. Another I said that who can? Which can? Yes, tell me. क्या हुआ? Kundalvana, fourth Buddhist council. Under him there is a Mahayana. Hinayana is there, and he is the what? A strong follower of Mahayana. He was a strong follower of Mahayana, and he has also helped in the flourishing the art and culture, and then he helped in Buddhism, and I said that Greeks, and then Jainism, and then Brahmanical. Everything that he has supporting, it is considered to be secular. And then religiously you can be able to see tolerant. Yes? So we can be able to talk about like this. And then Kanishka, during the Kanishka period, large amount of gold coins has been issued. And then we can be able to see which are the two famous, I said that person who were there in this period. I said that fourth Buddhist council ke samay mein the Ashwaghosa and Vasumitra. And then I talked about Ashwaghosa. Which one I said that? Ashwaghosa. और क्या मैंने बोला? Sundar Anand and Buddha Charita. So he has written this in the Sanskrit, and thereafter I said that Vasumitra and then Nagarjuna, and they have helped the what is in a patronizing and converting Buddhism to whom? Charak, and the Charak has written which book? Charak Samhita. And thereafter the last ruler of Kanishka, Kushana, was Vasudev, and who? तो वासु के कौन देव है? यदि कण कण में देखा जाए तो वासु बोलते हैं कौन